Annyeonghaseyo. Today we are here to eat a Jollibee mukbang from yung Taknim. Yung Taknim, Annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Now serving number 31. Now serving number 31. Now serving number 31, 40. Now serving number 31, 40, 13.
Annyeonghaseyo. Jinim, salamat sa imong gihatag nga allowance kay nakapalit mi og bugas og sudan. Ang sobra kay among pang-allowance sa eskwelahan, among baon. Ang uban kay among siblings gihog sa Cebuana. So, animog ko. Alila.
Tulur kang pagmulong.
Bye
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida, Eugenim. Ang amok mo.
안녕하세요. 동주님, thank you for the cake. 감사합니다.
Okay, so barog tanan bi. Yeah, happy birthday Mary. 감사합니다.
Happy birthday, Mary. 감사합니다.
Sige, lingkod tanan niya pabilin Mary. So, Mary, since today is your birthday, happy birthday. And kisa man mong ganahan pasalamatan, kisa mo to ni hatag kanina.
Si Dongjun.
And Junine. And Junine, 감사합니다.
Dongjun, 감사합니다 for the cake.
And for the birthday gift. Diba? You have 500 birthday gift, then 500 worth of cake.
Birthday gift, 감사합니다.
Kamsahamnida. Happy birthday niya. 11 naman kayo mo edad ron, no? So, what's your wish man on your birthday? Maka-ukulele. You wanted to have a ukulele? Kaya mag-practice na kay guitar or ukulele. So, unsa man na nasa mo forehead?
Dago.
Blood sa chicken. So here in the Philippines, that is also our belief that every time there is a birthday, we needed to have a blood of chicken cross in the forehead. So that was a Philippine belief. So by the way, happy birthday Mary. Thank you for the spaghetti and for the juice. 감사합니다. And don't you name, 감사합니다. 감사합니다. Okay, so today is Monday, so we will gonna have our cleanliness check, right? So every Monday, we will gonna check your fingernails if you already have trimmed your fingernails and you also have your hair ponytailed, and clean socks that were not used in the school, new and clean socks, and clean clothes. So let's start with Alisa, since Alisa's out at school is very late, so Alisa will gonna join the level 2 half shift. So the half shift will be at the level 1. So Alisa, I have here Dave and Shane. And Irisha and Mary. Puro lagi mo ng red oil. Birthday ninyo. Raisa and Rian. Raisa. today is Monday. So, level 1, we needed to check your fingernails. Kaya diba, every Monday matamag, cleanliness check, but pasabot. Atong tanaw ninyo nga mga kuko, limpyo ba? Kung naka-ponytail ba ang kuko? O limpyo ba ang sinina? O limpyo ba ang medyas na gigamit? Ang medyas na gamiton is dili gamiton sa eskwelahan. Dapat limpyo jud. Bitanaw na to ang kuko. Biarin ta ni Kopi o ni Chandria. Clean ba ang uy, Chandria, naunsa man ang Chandria? Dili ka kasulod og mahak. Kukaw im kukuha. Biarita ni Jaika o ni Josel, bigko. Jaika po. Katir ugma Jaika ha. Di nakakasulod og ugaw kuko. Biarita Desiree o ni Alon Nabi. Amot, kutang. So si Desiree. Biyuhin na Desiree, klaro guys camera. Arita ni Berto, ni Irene o ni GE. Bikamot sa B. Bakit ako sa kamot B?